Hi guys, Daniel and John here. I'm back with one of our how-to videos, and as you can see we're looking at some guttering, and it's mini line guttering, but this will also apply to the larger stuff as well. And this video is about how to cut it square basically, or straight, and this is just a little bit of information that might help you.
So we've held our guttering up across there. It's quite windy up here, that's why I've got 3 brackets. I've made a little mark with a
See that little mark?
there.
Yep.
I've got a Stanley knife. I've placed another piece of guttering that hasn't been cut on top and next to the mark there. What I'm going to do is just score that.
Because that will help the saw, won't it, when you're cutting it?
2 options. We're going to use a hacksaw for this. And literally you push against the edge of the guttering on top. Normally I'd have somebody supporting this, but unfortunately he's only got one hand at the moment. Not literally, but because of the other, we wouldn't have all this messing about here.
There we go. Well, that wasn't too bad. Just moved a bit.
There we are there.
So you can deburr this
So
with
that's
a
a long
file.
bit of guttering.
Whatever
What we
you want to do.
we've then still got a Stanley knife.
Or you can do it like this, yeah.
Do it like this, and that's fine. So if you look at that, it's a nice
clean cut. But the reason why you want to deburr that is because when you go
pushing it into
fitting, yeah,
things like this,
you don't want it to
you
snag
know when
the
it's
rubber.
snagging on that rubber.
Yeah.
Just a little tip while we're at it, a little bit of washing up liquid now when you're sliding it in
Or silicone spray.
will help.
They do sell a spray as well, don't they?
Yeah, washing up
But you
liquid.
can use
everybody's
whatever you
got,
want.
So
Whatever you want to use.
that helps, and you just slide it in and lock it in, and you'll see the stop gap there.
Little stoppers, yeah.
Line, it says line, and that's basically how you do that. We'll fit that in. There we go.
Right, so hopefully that helps. Anyone wondering how to cut guttering straight?
Yeah.
We make videos like this all the time, so feel free to
real life
subscribe and like.
videos. And if it goes wrong, it goes wrong. But
It did go a little bit wrong at the end because that's because it was wobbling, but you get the idea.
yeah,
So,
okay.
thanks for watching.
Yeah.